feel?
I'm feeling good because
Good?
because I'm talking with a great tutor of
Oh, thank you so
talk.
much. Oh, that's very kind of you. So tell me something now that you're in Qatar. Do you drink camel milk or what kind of milk do you
No,
drink? Because camel milk is very sour, very sour.
yeah, it's very sour. I had taken once in my whole life here in
Me
Qatar.
too. Me too. And I actually vomited. It made
Oh,
me sick.
when, okay,
I
when
went
did
to
you take
Rajasthan.
and where?
Um,
Oh, Rajasthan.
yeah, I was in Bikaner. They have this camel. You know, we have places when we go there, we are like, okay, camel is an attraction in Rajasthan. So I was like, okay, I want to drink camel milk. I bought camel goods also, but the milk was something I was very excited for. And the moment I had it, one sip only, and I was like, okay, ho gaya mera.
2 years ago, I had once, but I did not vomit as you vomit.
Okay, you have a
Yeah,
little accent also, Arabian accent.
yeah,
That's good. That's good. So why did you join in Turkey?
because I want to improve my communication skill.
Okay, but where do you think while communicating you're lacking?
I'm lagging behind when it comes to fluency.
Fluency,
And
okay. Mm-hmm. I'll just pin it down. What else besides fluency?
besides fluency, consistency. And when I talk, sometime I make grammatical mistake also. So
Hmm.
when I write properly with the correct grammatical. But
Hmm.
when it comes to speaking, sometime after speaking, I think I should not have told this one. But
Hmm.
it's the process. So I thought that let me join, and I should practice so that it can be good. So that's why I joined.
You actually made a very corrective action when you decided, okay, fine, this is where I'm lacking and this is where I want to work. Okay,
Yeah.
now that you know, okay, little about me. My name is Priyansha, as you can read, and I
Okay.
am from India. And I'm currently enrolled in University of Delhi pursuing BA Honors Psychology. Right. And
Psycho-
sorry.
Psychology are you pursuing?
Yes, I'm pursuing psychology. I'm a psychology major. So
Okay.
I was not interested in psychology some time back, but it's only later that I recognized, okay, psychology is my thing. But you know, you have to admit something in order to work for it, right? You admitted,
Yeah.
okay, I want to work on my fluency. And how will my
Yeah.
fluency come? I have to have good vocabulary. Okay, listen to me
Yeah.
very carefully. Vocabulary is the only thing that can help you if you want to improve your fluency.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever you have here in your mind, you have to
Yeah.
convert it into English. Okay, you have your mother tongue, right? Everybody has their mother tongue. I'm sure your mother tongue is not English. Okay,
Yeah.
you have your mother tongue, and your mother tongue has to be converted into English. And the quickly you will only be able to do it when you have good vocabulary. Now, coming
Yeah.
to grammar. Okay, yes, grammar is a very important aspect when it comes to fluency, but you know, grammar takes time. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
grammar
I
takes
realize
time.
that it takes time. Yeah.
Yeah, and you will realize ki, okay, where you were 2 months ago, you're still in a better place than you are right now, right? How?
Right.
Because you you have been able to do better sentence plotting. Whenever we
Yeah.
speak, like I'm speaking right now, it's like if I turn subtitles on in some movie, in some other movie, and the subtitles come, so I'm able to process everything quickly because okay, my grammar concepts are clear, my vocabulary is okay, so only then am
Yeah.
I able to do it. But what points in grammar should you work with? I'll tell you at the end of the session. Okay, okay, this
Okay.
is where you
Okay.
need to work. This is where you need to work, and I'll tell you how will you work. So,
Okay.
do you want to talk about today's topic, shopping, or just a general discussion?
Yeah. It's okay. No problem. We can talk on topic.
Okay. So, did you know what was today's topic, or did you read it?
I got the email. It was there about shopping.
Yes, it is about shopping. And I'm expecting that you must be doing a lot of shopping now that you're in Arab. And I know, I mean, my family, a lot of people were employed in Arab. Somebody was in Bahrain, and before that somebody was in I don't know, there was this place from D. I don't remember the name anymore. But they were like shopping every other day, and I was like, तुम लोग बहुत shopping
Can
करते हो. You
you
shop a lot.
breaking?
So I realized people get shopaholic when they're away from their family, right? So shopping is fun. It's like a therapy. In psychology, we categorize shopping as a therapy. It's a stress buster. So do you like shopping?
Yeah.
What do you like shopping
Mostly,
for?
mostly, as you know, I'm here working in Gulf country, so we always we go like morning to evening office. We
Mm,
be at the office, so we don't have time to go outside, and also we don't have family here, so I don't like to do lots of shopping because after shopping, what I will do with the clothes. I'm talking about the clothes only. So I don't buy any clothes. And as
I'll
for
tell you what you
the
do.
regular,
Buy loads of clothes, okay? Loads of clothes. And don't buy very expensive clothes, just buy fashionable clothes. Click good pictures, put them on Instagram, become an influencer, come back to India, make money. But you can video call your family. Okay, this is I'm liking. Do you like it too? You can take second
yeah,
opinion, right? Sometimes people are not able to decide whether do I like it or not. So you can take a second opinion from your family, send them a picture or video call them. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Okay. So you do not enjoy shopping. But when you were in India, did you like shopping?
Yeah, when I was there, I used to like shopping. But
So what do you like shopping the most in clothes also like t-shirts, jackets, trenches?
I like buying only t-shirts. I don't like too much shirts. I like buying t-shirts and jeans
Mhm.
and trousers
Okay.
and jackets
Trousers.
along.
I like
Yeah,
buying trousers myself. I wear trousers
yeah,
everywhere. Everywhere. I like joggers so much.
yeah.
So now that you're alone in Qatar, but if you had a chance, who would you take yourself? Like if you were going on shopping, who would you take along?
To be honest, I don't want to take anybody with me
Your
for the
voice
shop.
is cracked.
Now it's okay.
Why?
Now
Yeah, it's
it's
better.
okay. Yeah, because
Yeah, it is. It is.
I
Why?
don't like somebody's opinion while I am shopping because everybody's has a different perspective and choice and like. So I want to purchase what I like, what I will put on myself. It should be, I should feel like, yeah, this is the good. And if everybody is saying it's good, I don't take it like, yeah, this would be their choice that this is the good. But if, for example, if I'm taking somebody with me and he is saying, yeah, it is looking good, and if I don't like, then what will I do? So that's why I don't like to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can go with
Sometimes you like
anybody, but
something
I
so much, but your
yeah,
family says, no, this is not looking good on you. And you're like,
yeah,
do
yeah,
I
it
buy it or
happened.
not? Yes, it
Yeah, it
happened with
happened
me
a lot
also.
of time with me. So I want to take with me, but I don't take any opinion or any advice that it's looking good or not. I decide with
Good.
myself. Yeah.
That is very good. So do you like online shopping now that you don't like going somewhere? So do you shop online or do you go to the store and buy it yourself?
I mostly, as I'm here, so I mostly go to the shop and buy from there. I don't
Hmm.
online here.
You don't online? Okay. I'll tell you something. Okay. And now that I'm 18, but before that, I used to go with my parents and they used to buy me stuff and everything looked good on me. I was like, okay, fine. I'm not into clothes and anything. I'm into fancy stationery, different color pens, cute socks. I'm into that kind of thing. But my
Yeah.
parents would be like, you have so many already. Why are you buying more? So I was like, okay, fine. Your money, your choice. So I did not really make a fuss about it. But as I grew, I was like, okay, fine, I have to shop for myself now. And I
Yeah.
never go to shops. I never go. on the physical shops and buy things, I have this hesitation when it comes to ask bhaiya ki, okay, I want to see this. Okay, do you have small size in this? I'm like, no, I don't want this. So what I do is I always shop online, always. And my parents don't even know that I have ordered something until it arrives. And because I'm just like you. I'm just like you
Yeah.
because I know if I ask my parents, how is this looking? Why are you buying this? It's not required. You already have something similar. Why are you buying this? So I don't tell them anymore. I just order what I like and it comes and they're like, why did you buy this? I bought it because I wanted to. So that
Yeah.
is actually fun. And my parents are fed up. Fed up. They open door at least 4 times in a week. Okay, Priyanshi ordered this and it is coming. Priyanshi ordered this, it is coming. Priyanshi ordered this, now it is coming. They're literally fed up. And it's
Yeah.
COVID time. How is COVID there?
COVID is day by day increasing here.
Yeah, in
Today,
India too.
when I reach office, I heard that some of our colleagues had corona yesterday, so they didn't come to the office. So we are a little bit scared.
Everybody gets scared.
Yeah.
Everybody.